glass of water, please?
Okay, sir. I'll go ahead and put that in for you.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your water, sir. Just wait for a while.
Okay.
Here are your menus and today's specials include our grilled filet mignon as well as our fresh catch of the day, the seafood paella. We also have a variety of vegetarian and gluten-free options available.
That sounds great. Can you tell me more about the grilled filet mignon?
Absolutely, our grilled filet mignon is a house favorite made with fresh ingredients and a special blend of spices. It's a real proud dessert.
Okay.
Okay, sir, so what can I get for you to eat? Would you like to try our special or something from the menu?
Can I have the grilled filet mignon, please, and a cup of rice?
Okay, sir, I'll go ahead and put that in for you. Would you like any special request?
No, that's all.
Just to confirm, I have it down. Grilled filet mignon and a cup of rice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sir, I'll go ahead. Your food is up about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, can I fill the meal for you?
Yes, please.
Here's your grilled filet mignon, sir. Can I get anything else? Do you need any ketchup or hot sauce?
No, everything looks great. Thank you.
Okay, sir, enjoy your meal. How's everything tasty? Can I get anything else?
Everything is great. Can I have a check, please?
Okay,